folks, welcome back. So in this whole cocktail journey that we've been on, we've been doing a ton of research on different cocktails, different mixers, different spirits, and one that I've had for a while, Saint Germain. Saint Germain is an elderflower flavored liqueur. It's from France. I don't have a whole lot of cocktails that I've used it in, so I went to their website and just started looking at some of their recipes, and we found this one that we're going to have today. It's called the Olivette. It's very much like a martini with a little bit of variations. We've tried it, and it's really tasty and will absolutely get you in trouble. Okay, so it's got 4 ingredients, but you know about me and garnishes. Garnish and I have a love-hate relationship, and I love these. Mezzetta Family Company Super Colossal Spanish Queen Olives, pimento stuffed. All right, that's a whole mouthful, but this brand of olives is fantastic. A little bit more expensive, but you're gonna use 1 or 2 per cocktail, so the jar lasts quite a while. Super high quality, and it's where you should spend a little bit extra money. All right, we've got the Saint Germain, the Elderflower liqueur. This is made in France. This has been around, even though it looks like a pretty old style bottle, it's only been around since the early 2000s when someone figured out that they could take the elderflowers that grow in the spring and infuse them into a liquor base and come up with something pretty darn tasty. So, Saint Germain. We've got Noli Prat Extra Dry Vermouth. This is the white kind of vermouth. And lastly, we have Bombay Saphire Gin. Bombay Saphire is a staff favorite of the production crew. And yes, we go to the big bottles for this one because they still don't last. You know, if they came in 55-gallon buckets, they wouldn't last a week. So here we go. We're going to go in starting with our Saint Germain for ½ ounce. Now this one, I think you could go a little heavier on. The sweetness of the Saint Germain is something that's really kind of cool. So maybe move that up to a whole ounce. Also, Saint Germain is available in a miniature, the little 50 mLs. If you don't want to spend the money on a full-size bottle to try it, try one of those, and it's spend a couple bucks and you'll be good. All right, we're going to have an ounce gin and an ounce of vermouth. Once again, it's back to those simple cocktails that we like to make. A couple ingredients. Make sure they're good ingredients, and you can make a darn fine drink. All right, we're going to roll this around a little bit in our mixing glass. And once again, Visky brand Nick Nora glass. Love these glasses. I'm not sponsored by them. If they didn't make good stuff, I wouldn't use them, I swear. So, get our Hawthorne strainer. This is the one with the little spring on the top. Going into our glass. It's a pretty drink too. And yes, I will use a garnish. One of those supercalifragilistic, you know, super colossal, whatever you call them. It's an olive. It's tasty. I love olives. All right, folks, there it is, the Olivette. If you like a martini with a little bit of hint of sweetness, this is a one to try. Cheers, folks. Stay safe. Enjoy. Yeah, we can make these by the gallon.